Hello, hello, hello. Alright, we have a song called Can You Hear the Vocals Over the Cello Part 1? Hello, 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 hello. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear the vocals over the cello? Can you hear the vocals over the cello? Can you hear your thoughts? Can you hear your thoughts? Can you hear your thoughts? Can you hear the vocals over the cello?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Is the cello loud enough?
Yes.
Cello
Okay.
loud enough? Yes.
We always like to make people as deaf as possible with the cello, so don't hesitate if you want it
Then you don't
louder.
suck.
Let us know. Just throw shit at us partway through, and we'll take it as a sign that you like it and you want us to turn it up more.
Cello.
You can come up a bit.
Yes! I like you! Alright.
Best sound person ever.
Best sound person ever. Like, no sound person ever is like, turn it up. Because, I mean,
Reasons.
because of reasons, but I'm so stoked that this sound person is brilliant and better than all of them. Yay, Nick!